Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Champ Gamers underscore 19. So as you remember, in today's video only, the last video I uploaded was like I showed you how to do the jewelry store robbery without jetpack and power plant robbery without jetpack. So now I'll show as I had a problem with my Lamborghini, so I'm going to show you how to do the jewelry store robbery with the jetpack, and today I'll tell you the secrets also. So guys, first we'll go to the unit shop. Okay, as you can see I'm there only. So guys, see guys, I'm here. Okay, I just took the donut back to Camaro. Okay, now I will go to garage, and then I will see guys as I'm inside my garage. So guys, I think so I shouldn't take out my Lambo. I think, or I'll just take out my Lambo. Okay, if it flips, then I will just take out another car. Okay guys, first I'll lock it because many people have Lamborghini, and then close it. So guys, let's go to the jetpack. Okay guys, as you can see in my last video, my Lamborghini was flipping a lot. It is flipping now, but not like the last video. So guys, subscribe to Jaden Prince channel. His channel's name is K Plays. Okay guys, please subscribe to him. Even subscribe to me, please. Guys, be ready. But as you can see, it's flipping now also. But it's okay. Today nothing will happen. I'll check what is the. Is it unlocked? No, it's locked. So I can't take it. Guys, tomorrow I will try to upload a video because as online class my starting, but like it started already. But then I have a lot of homework, so I will try to upload a video. But if not, I will upload the next day, Saturday. I think so. I'll upload 2 videos in Saturday. If I don't upload a video, guys, as you can see here, is my Lamborghini flips a lot. I have to be careful. Guys, we are here in the jetpack place. We took jetpack. Okay, guys, let's go. So guys, we are down here. First, we'll check the like the register is open and first drop it and then you secret, but it's not dropped. If it's open, then I can show you the. Okay, I'll not tell now. I'll tell. As it you can see, it's not open. So come, I'll show you what is the top right. So guys, as you know, this is the bank. I think so. You all would be wondering why is this ladder here. So guys, I'll tell you why is this ladder here. Guys, if you have not checked out the new trailer of the new update, please go and check out. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this helipad is made for the new helicopter, which is going to come very soon. Okay guys, it's going to be come like I think so day after tomorrow, or like it's Sunday. So I will try to show you. I think so I'll buy it So guys, let's go back to my car and check if the jewelry store is open or not. Okay guys. So guys, as you can check out the bank. Guys, comment down below. Please comment down which card do you like. So guys, as you can see, I think the jewelry store is open. Yeah, the jewelry store is open. So first you have to break the glass. Okay guys, 1 second. Okay, first you have to break the glass and then jump over these lasers. Now punch it. Punch. Punch. So as I'm jumping, okay. So here's my Lambo. So someone unlocked it, but I don't know what happened. I'll lock it once again. Lambo. And now taking see guys, I'm done with the robbery. Okay guys. So now I'll do another secret, which is going to be very not difficult, but not like other robberies. Okay guys, as you know, the cargo boat, our cargo boat is going to come. So guys, as you know, you have to come. Actually, basically a cargo ship will come. Okay, and you need a helicopter for this. Any helicopter, like the new helicopter can also be the police helicopter, also even the army heli also can be. So you have to take the helicopter, okay, and then give a rope, and if you can see the ship, then just come above the ship. Okay, come above the ship, stick one crate from there, and just then you can just take it. And then even I don't know what to do. I think so you have to bring the crate here with your heli, or I think so you have to bring a crate here. I think so you have to bring a crate there, because see, a message is coming, a cargo crate from here robbery. So see guys, this was the second secret I wanted to share with you. And guys, I want to tell you how to use the jetpack also. So guys, it's not difficult, it's very easy. You have to double press your space bar and then control with your arrow keys, as you can see. Okay, control it with your arrow keys. Control. Okay, and whenever you have done, then just play. 1 second now, guys. My laptop. Okay. Yeah, now see, guys, I have refilled it. Done. Now my health is loose. I'll eat a donut. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm done. See, guys. You can hear the sound. See, wait. And double space bar. Okay, guys, and then control with your arrow keys. Okay. So if you don't know how to control like jetpack, so please comment down below. I will specially make a video of that only for that. Okay, guys. So I will meet you in next video. Bye, guys. Have fun. Tomorrow I'll try to upload another video. Bye, guys.